Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll teach you how to get Adam and Eve in Infinite Craft. So let's start. So we have in here, let's put in here earth, and on this earth right here, let's put in here wind. And now we have dust. And now let's put in here another element, which is fire. And then let's merge fire with earth. So let's put dust in here for now, and we have lava for now. Next thing we need to do is we just need to add another element. So let's put this here right now, and let's add in here water. Now on this water right here, let's add fire. Now we have steam. So for the steam right here, next thing we need to do is we just need to add here another element. So let's head over and get earth. And then on this earth right here, let's merge that to steam, and now we have mud. So for this mud right here, next thing we need to do is we just need to add in here earth again. And then in here, let's put that right now. Then let's put wind right here, and then merge that to earth, and now we have dust again. So for this dust, let's head over and add in here a few elements, which is earth. And on this earth right here, let's put another, which makes it planet. So on the planet right here, we can now see that we have these two right here. Next thing we need to do is we just need to add in here a few more elements, which is fire. And on this fire right here, let's add in here wind. Now let's merge the wind and fire, and now we have smoke. So for this smoke right here, next thing we need to do is we just need to put these specific elements in order. So let's put in here earth again. And on this earth right here, we can actually put in here water. Then let's merge water with smoke, and we have fog. So for this fog right here, next thing we need to do is we just need to merge that fog into another element. So let's put in here and then select another element that we have. So as you can see, we can merge planet with fog, and now we have Venus. So for this Venus right here, we just see that we have here a female element. Since we already have a female element, we can click on mod and put here Venus, and now we have Adam. So we have now created Adam. Next thing we need to do is we need to create Eve. So in here, let's add another Venus. And on this Venus right here, we just need to put this Venus into Adam, and now we have Eve. So we have Eve now, and we have Adam. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.